Planning a G+1 house requires careful thought to create a functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing home. One of the first things to consider is space utilization. It's important to balance built-up areas with open spaces, ensuring every square foot is used efficiently. Smart zoning is another key factor. Public areas like the living room, dining, and kitchen should be on the ground floor, while private spaces like bedrooms and family lounges should be upstairs for better privacy and comfort. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might be planning their dream home. Ventilation and natural light play a huge role in the overall ambience of the house. Large windows, open balconies, and skylights can enhance airflow and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Structural strength is also crucial, as a multi-story house requires a strong foundation and proper load-bearing walls to ensure safety and longevity. Consulting a structural engineer at the planning stage can prevent costly mistakes later. If you're enjoying these insights, make sure to hit that like button. Next, consider the staircase placement. A well-positioned staircase improves movement flow between floors without taking up too much space. Whether it's centrally located or near the entrance, it should be easy to access without obstructing the living areas. Future expansion is another important aspect. If you plan to add extra rooms or a rooftop garden later, ensure the foundation and layout can accommodate it. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from these ideas. Efficient plumbing and bathroom planning can save time and money. It's best to align bathrooms vertically between floors to simplify plumbing and ensure proper drainage. Similarly, electrical wiring should be pre-planned, keeping in mind the placement of appliances, lighting fixtures, and possible smart home features for security and convenience. The exterior design should be both visually appealing and functional. A well-designed facade, durable building materials, and energy-efficient features like solar panels can enhance the home's value and sustainability. Finally, always check local building regulations and approvals before construction. Working with a professional architect will help ensure compliance with legal requirements while bringing your vision to life. By following these essential tips, you can design a G+1 house that is both practical and stylish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design insights.